Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to order a Cash App card. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing we do is just to open up your Cash App application. And after that, or in this video, I'll just go in through this support article so we can understand more on how to order this Cash App card. And basically you have just simple steps. You need just to go to your homepage, and from here you will find this bottom menu or this menu. And basically here you have cash, managing your cash, searching your activities, and basically those are your cards. By clicking on your cards, you will be able just to go to your Cash App home screen. You get your free card, and basically after that you will find this get your free card option or menu, and then you click on continue, and then you follow up just the process of creating your card, etc. But first, you will need to make sure that you meet the requirements eligibility. And basically, you must be 13 plus, and of course, it should be with the parental approval, or you will need simply be older than 18 to apply for a Cash App card. And after that, the card should be or will arrive within 14 days. This is just for the hard card. And basically, after that or before that, you will be able already to start doing operations or to start having purchases within your card. So as you can see, you may be able to access your card details from the card tab for online purchases or to link to Apple or Google Pay. And basically, you can start just going to your application and go to the card tab. And from there, you can start seeing your balance in the card or all the details that you have for your card. You can start activating it. You can start deactivating your card. And as you can see here in this menu, you can start activating, deactivating, and fully control your card from Cash App. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.